Understanding boost pressure sensor. A boost pressure sensor has been an outstanding advancement in engine technology despite being a sophisticated piece of equipment. The amount of boost produced in the intake manifold of a turbocharged or supercharged engine is managed by boost pressure sensors. They have an impact on the air delivery pressure to the mechanical and pneumatic wastegate actuators. To guarantee that the engine operates efficiently, your car is equipped with a number of sensors. To maintain the air-fuel ratio and many other functions, the PCM makes use of the data from these sensors. Additionally, your car has a turbo boost pressure sensor. So, let's learn about the boost pressure sensor. Rough idling. One of the typical signs of a faulty turbo boost pressure sensor is rough idling. This sensor aids in regulating the entry of fuel and air into the combustion chamber. An incorrect air-fuel ratio might result in severe idling engine vibrations or erratic jumps in idle speed. Check engine light on. One of the most prevalent indications of a faulty turbo boost pressure sensor is the lighting of the check engine light. Your PCM may specifically set off the P0236 code when it discovers a malfunctioning boost pressure sensor. Check your vehicle's pressure sensor right away if you have this engine code. The P0236 error code, however, may occur for various reasons. You must rule out any potential electrical issues and confirm that the supercharger or turbocharger is operating effectively. The boost pressure sensor will function as it should in such a situation and notify you of any potential issues. Engine performance either increasing or decreasing. The PCM needs to know the real performance of the supercharger or turbocharger, which is the primary job of the turbo boost pressure sensor. The PCM will change to an inaccurate reading as a result, reducing or enhancing the overall performance of your engine depending on whether this sensor accurately reports the supercharger or turbo's performance. Engine deterioration may happen in both supercharged and turbocharged engines. However, a faulty boost pressure sensor may cause the turbocharged engine to function far worse than the supercharged engine. This is because, in the case of a supercharged engine, the PCM is unable to enhance the engine's performance because it is unaware of the supercharger's capability. However, in turbocharged engines, the PCM may completely drop the turbo pressure, which dramatically lowers engine performance. Rarely, your PCM may also boost the turbo pressure, which causes your turbo engine to run better. This could seriously harm your engine's internal components. Consequently, you should fix a bad boost pressure sensor as soon as you can. Difficulty starting. A bad BPS sensor can potentially affect how the engine starts. Before starting the engine, the PCM in your car uses the data from the boost pressure sensor to calculate the air pressure. Because the precise air-fuel mixture is crucial for the engine to start, an inaccurate reading could result in the engine receiving too little fuel, which could prevent it from starting at all. Reduction or increase of boost pressure. A faulty boost pressure sensor could increase or reduce engine performance, as described in the aforementioned symptoms. An alteration in the turbo pressure is what causes this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.